Okay guys, we got a 99 Eclipse here. It's got a bad mount on the cross member. And we did some work on this one a little while back and seen this. And since we had to move the cross member, this here, the mount got rotated just a hair. So now it's clunking even more. So you can see where it's broke right in there. So we're gonna pull the cross member mount. So if you need this, it's an engine mount. It may even be considered an automatic transmission mount, but I don't know if you can pull it up at that. We had a problem with running the numbers. So we'll find out more when we get it out. So we're going to start off, we're going to have to move the jack, but we're going to pull out these 16 millimeters and those 15 millimeters back there and drop the cross member. The engine should sit still on the other mounts. So let's pull the cross member. Okay, so cross members broke loose down there. We got those two 14 millimeters. We got these two, they were 17s, I'm sorry, 17 millimeters. So the only thing holding it now at this time is that mount that's bad. And clearly you can see there that it's bad. So we're now gonna go 14-inch ratchet on one side and a 14-inch wrench on the other side, break that loose, this will come down, and we can pull off the two nuts that hold the actual mount. So let me get this off. Again, 14 here and a 14 over there on the motor mount itself. Okay, so we got the long bolt out. That was the 14 you were grabbing a hold of there, and we got that out. So clearly you can see that motor mount is really bad. So we're gonna go ahead now and get a 13-inch ratchet or wrench, and we're gonna go on both sides of this, pull the motor mount, get our new one, get it installed. Guys, so we got the new cross member mount here for the front motor mount. This is called the front, by the way. If you're gonna get the other one, it is called the right front. So it's a body mount to the engine. So when you install this, make sure you install it backwards. If you don't remember which way it went, because one side is longer than the other, the long side points to the front of the vehicle. So that should help. So it's actually going to sit just like that when you put it back on. And this side here, the nuts are welded onto the mount, so you can just run the bolt right in. So we'll get those two bolts back on, slide it back under. We'll do our two 17s straight up, and we'll do our two 14s from the back straight up, and drop this jack and get this car out of here. Here we go. Okay, so there we are. We got the two 14s in back there. We got the two 17s in here. Nice, pretty new motor mount right there. And I just need to tighten up that 14 now on both sides with my 14 ratchet and my 14 wrench, and we'll be done. Alrighty, so that's all done. We're good to go. The mount is in. That 14 is tightened up. If you see my other video, and I kind of included a little bit in this video with that motor mount that didn't come in, I hope you understood how to put that together. If you don't, we're going to do it again when that mount comes in. We just assumed that they had both mounts, but it ends up the one down here on the front is more common. Passenger side body mount is not quite as common, so they'll have that part in by tomorrow, 2 p.m. or something. So I hope this helped you out. Please leave any comments or questions that you might have, or if you can help somebody else, leave an answer or reply to theirs if I don't get back to them. That would be great. I know you guys do that a lot, and I'd really appreciate it. And please click subscribe and click under my name for all my other little how-to videos. There's some tricks and there's some repairs, etc. And click like. Thanks again for watching. I hope this helped you out.